Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Amazon fund for deforestation prevention. When I first started looking into ways to directly support the fight against Amazonian deforestation, I quickly realized it's not as simple as picking a single best fund. It's about understanding the ecosystem of funding and finding one that aligns with your values for effective, long-term impact. My personal journey led me to focus on funds that are results-based, transparent, and empower local communities. The most significant player, and often the best choice for its scale and structure, is the Amazon Fund, Fundo Amazonia. It's a Brazilian government-led initiative, managed by the Brazilian Development Bank, BNDES, and it's the largest global mechanism for REDD+, reducing emissions from deforestation and forest degradation payments. What impressed me about the Amazon Fund is that it's not just a blank check. It operates on a performance basis. Donor countries like Norway and Germany contribute based on Brazil's verifiable success in reducing deforestation from historical levels. This mechanism creates a direct, powerful financial incentive for the government to enforce stricter environmental controls. Through my research, I saw that the funds are strategically invested across four key axes: monitoring and control. This means funding the satellite technology and on-the-ground enforcement actions by agencies like IBAMA to combat illegal logging and ranching. Sustainable production, supporting local people, including indigenous and traditional communities, with alternatives to deforestation, such as sustainable agroforestry and non-timber forest products. Land use planning, helping to regularize land titles and create protected areas, which is crucial for long-term conservation. Science and innovation, funding research to better understand and protect the biome. While the Amazon Fund is highly effective on a macro level, I also found it valuable to look at credible non-governmental organizations, NGOs. These groups often work directly on the front lines. Organizations like WWF Brazil or the Amazon Conservation Team, ACT, are great choices because they focus heavily on supporting indigenous territories. Since indigenous lands have some of the lowest deforestation rates, funding their autonomy and surveillance efforts is one of the most cost-effective ways to protect the forest. Ultimately, the best fund for me became a dual strategy, supporting the Amazon Fund for its enormous scale and national policy impact, and complementing that with a direct donation to a reputable NGO that works with indigenous communities for their vital on-the-ground, sustainable initiatives. This combination ensures support at both the policy-making and the preservation levels. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.